Welcome to the project demonstration of hybrid encryption algorithm for data security of ESP32 based IOT-enabled robots. So here we are doing the encryption along with base 64 algorithm. So for encryption we are using AES algorithm with key encryption and also base 64 algorithm. So here the operation is like whenever we are sending the data from the mobile phone from HTML page, so that will be sent to the GPIO, the general purpose input output pins. So there we are going to using the operation of initially it will encode it with base 64 and then after it will be encrypted using AES algorithm with cipher logic, and then while controlling the GPIO pins of the robot movements from the ESP32 camera to L293 motor driver, we are using the initially we need to do the decoding operation decryption algorithm, and then after decryption successfully done, then the decoding will be done with help of so after the data is encoded, encryption, and then it will be going to the decryption along with decoding, and then after the GPIO pins will be output as to the L293 motor driver to controlling the robots in 4 directions movements. So here we are using 12 volt 1 amp battery which is rechargeable. So this battery pack consists of 3 or 4 volt 1 amp batteries, and just to recharge that, connect this at this slot and on the power supply to the transformer, then there is a light indication on the charging circuits. So the battery will get fully charged in a duration of 6 hours minimum, 8 hours maximum. After that, the charging circuit will block the current flow in order to protect the battery from overcharging. So you can disconnect after time completion. And the very first setup is, while demonstrating the project, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So we need to on the hotspot. So for that, go to hotspot settings of your phone and change the hotspot name to configure that to project 5911 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789. So after enabling this, you can on the kit, there you can see the device will be connected. So some mobile phones will show the IP address direct here itself if it's not connected. Okay, just off and on. Now the device will connect So some mobile phones show the IP address here itself. If it's not showing the IP address here, then go to network analyzer application, install that application, and in that go to options, do LAN scan. There you get the IP address of our Express like this, and copy the IP address and go to Google Chrome and enter the IP address here. Roll the page. So we are getting here. So now when we press this forward button, the data will be encoded initially and then encrypted and again decryption and decoded, then output to the GPIO pins. So we can control the robot in. So when you press and hold, the robot will execute the forward motion. So when you release the button, the motion will stops. Again same headlight. So let us see the demonstration on the floor.